I would assume all of you will agree. And in the 15 months time now today that they work, they're a completely different breed. I wish I could record the session, which was the first session with me, and I'm sure with all. They were kids in the block. Today they're transformed from boys and girls to men and women, and professional men and women. I think that is what the institute has done. I'm sure the parents would vouch for me that they would have seen the difference every evening they've come back home. I would expect you to say yes or no. I mean, it helps us to kind of do, work better. Would you agree with me? Ma'am, would you agree with me what you saw?
I've seen Garima today when I saw her on the class.
Yeah, so Garima today spoke like a pro. I mean, as we say, I mean, she was a different person from the first time that they came in. I can see this different, the transformation even in the new batch. They've been barely a month old, and I can see they look better, they talk better, they walk better. It's like I can talk English, I can walk English. But this transformation, the best part about this institute is the fact that the transformation is very visible on a day-to-day basis. I will ask the parents, if they don't see the transformation, please tell us. We'll ensure that each week, at the end of each week, they will see the difference in their language, they will see the difference in the way they look at life, they talk to you. I think that is very important. That is, I think, one big thing about this institute, that what you learn in the classroom on the first floor, you can actually go and see how it works on the ground floor. No other institute offers this to you. Right? So it's not about theory only. What you learn in theory, you can actually see how it works in real life. Just go down to the studio or to the production unit and know what exactly happens. So I think the module that we follow here is the best. And secondly, I think most of the students here are friends. Prashant will agree. I think he's almost like one of them. I aspire to be like you. Because you kind of said a nice joke. I wish I could do that, but I didn't have a joke in my BBM. That's only the difference. But I think I think for us as a faculty, it's a challenge to see the difference it makes to them. I can assure you, this is possibly one of the best industry that your children are going in. Without doubt, this is one of the most paying. And this is one of the most challenging, and this is one of the industry I keep telling everybody that you can become a boss of your boss. I've seen it in my own life. No other industry would allow you to be purely judged on your performance, not on your age, not on your seniority. Is your performance only that matters? So I feel very happy to be a part of this institute from the day one, and I would love to continue it till it is on. I wish all the luck to the students and